guys, welcome back to Kitchen Foodie. My name is Uche, and on today's episode I'm gonna be showing you how to make coconut rice with chicken. Please feel free to use any choice of rice for this recipe and stay tuned. Let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing I'm gonna do is to season the chicken, and to do that I'll be adding some chopped garlic, ground ginger, some Lawry's seasoned salt, rosemary, some thyme, chicken bouillon, Old Bay, and some Cajun seasonings. Then I will combine them with my clean hands. After I have thoroughly mixed the spices into the chicken, I will allow it to bake for about an hour because I want it to get well done inside. And after baking, I'll go ahead and broil the chicken to remove excess fat. While the chicken is baking, my next step is to soak the rice. I ended up using 2.5 cups of water to soak the rice, and I'll be allowing it to soak for an hour. I'm gonna drain the rice and fry it till it gets hard and every grain is separated. Now it's time to fry the vegetables and peppers. I'm starting off with the chopped garlic, and I'm taking it out when it's brown and I know the oil has absorbed the flavor. Disclaimer, I did not use all the vegetables, I used only half of the pack. I would like to remind you of the chicken. It's currently broiling, and I'll let it broil for 20 minutes and then I'll take it out. I'm gonna be showing you when I'm taking it out so you can see what it looks like. So guys, I'll be stirring the vegetables for 5 minutes and then I'll spice it up. I'll be adding the same seasonings I added earlier, which are Lorry's seasoned salt, some rosemary, thyme, Cajun seasoning, some ground ginger, Old Bay, some chicken bouillon, and 1 knorr cube. After adding and stirring the spices into the vegetables, I'm gonna go ahead and add the coconut milk and no water. So guys, I'm not just using 1 tin of coconut milk, I'm using 1.5 tins. Unfortunately, I lost the clip where I was showing the second tin. Please bear with me. In order to achieve the desired taste, you need to add more seasonings but in very small quantities. So I added everything and half knorr cube. This till it sizzles, and after it sizzles I'm going to pour the rice into the mixture, and then I'm going to cover the pan with a foil and then cover it with a lid. apologies guys, I forgot to mention I will be cooking the rice on a low heat. Also, the steam will help the rice to dry up completely. And while the rice is cooking, I'm gonna bring out the chicken from the oven. As you can see, it looks good, it smells great, and it's ready to go. So as you guys can see, the rice has dried up completely. It got burnt a little bit, but to be honest, I like it that way. Yeah, so if you're gonna be using these particular spices I used in this video, best believe it's gonna make your food smell so great, because right now my food smells so yummy, it tastes so delicious, and then yeah, it makes everywhere just smell good. So yes, I'm super excited to share this recipe with you guys, and I hope you guys try this recipe, hopefully with the same spices. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section, and remember to subscribe to Kitchen Foodie for more. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.